Today, although most of companies choose automatic apparel hanger systems, manual hanger systems are still being used by some enterprises. Due to their advantages such as low cost of non-motorized equipment, easy installation and low maintenance costs, it is suitable for small and medium-sized enterprises. However, factories with large output will choose automated sorting lines in order to increase sorting speed and reduce error rate. If you need upgrade production line, talk to us.